So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix Telegram code SMS problem. So for it, first of all you have to open your Play Store and then you have to click on a search bar, and now you have to search for Turbo VPN, and then you have to install this VPN to your phone. So after that you have to turn on this VPN, and then you have to click on this option, and this VPN will start it. As you can see, this VPN is connected, and after connecting this VPN, so now you have to open your Telegram application. So after connecting to the VPN, so now you have to add your country and add your phone number, and then this code problem will be solved. So that is how you can solve this problem. So if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like it, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe.